Andre Berto on his Snapchat. Sick. That shit dope. Yeah, swart them. Okay.
I'm trying to get you your people. I'm joining you, y'all. Fucking Myrtle. Myrtle, you ready to fight, dog? You ready to fight right now? Yeah, you ready to fight.
Let's fight, man. I'm not sure about your fight.
Just jump in the ring after.
I'm seeing you give me a couple rounds.
Not me, but you gotta get him, not me. I'm a lover, not a fighter.
No, I'm seeing he gonna give me a couple
Oh,
rounds.
I'm about to say, not me, 'cause I'm not a beat. I'm not beat with you. I love him. I don't want to fight Berto. I love Berto.
Listen, after you beat his ass, let me see if I can get in there and get a couple more rounds.
We don't go to hate together.
And get some Mexican food.
We don't go to hate together, man.
There's swipe it over. Alright, y'all know, man, hurry up. Yeah.
No, that's stupid questions against you.
Who?
You.
I never. There are no stupid questions.
There's just stupid answers.
They say the only stupid questions is the one you don't ask. Thanks, Mark, girl.
Oh.
Alright, we're gonna get Berto popping on Snapchat right now.
So you go, thanks, Mark, you're out.
Andre Berto going all out.
I think I heard it ever and I went for him.
Team Berto.
I'm working. You must be smart.
All we know is one thing, guys.